Kali ritual is the first among the great wisdoms called Mahavidya in Tantra. We have to understand first what Kali is. Close your eyes. Whatever you see is Kali. And the first Kali which is defined is called Guhya Kali or Adya Kali, and it means that when nothing exists, it existed. When there was no sun, no moon, no earth, imagine that situation when nothing is there, and that nothingness is Kali. That nothingness is this goddess. So, if you close your eyes and make your thoughts for nothing, and your thoughts no longer roam in the universe, what you experience is Nirguna Kali. What you experience is Guhya Kali. And I always suggest to my sadhaks, to my disciples, to try to concentrate, try to conceptualize nothingness, and you can always experience your Kali Mahavidya when you close your eyes and experience nothing. But the problem with the human is that we often say that we want to experience nothing. I want to do Niskam Karma Yoga. But the moment a karma is done, they start thinking about the result. Similarly, while performing the ritual, while meditating, while doing prayers, most of the people, they come and tell it to us that I want Nirguna. But when I start explaining what Nirguna means, they say, okay, that's okay, but what I will gain out of it? The moment you start thinking of gaining anything out of a ritual, it is no more Nirguna. It becomes Saguna. The moment you want to experience the power of Kali, it remains Nirguna no more. Then you have to conceptualize a figure, a goddess, in which form, when you close your eyes, you must be able to experience her. And what conceptualization we do, that conceptualization is called Dhyan Mantra. Before our meditation starts, we always try to chant, try to sing Dhyan Mantra in front of our goddess. And any sadhana has got at least these things. First is Vinyoga, second is Rishinyasa, and then is Karnyasa, अंगन्यासा और हृदयादि न्यासा, व्यापक न्यासा, अक्षर न्यासा और मातृका न्यासा, and then comes dhyan mantra. After dhyan mantra is pranayama, and after pranayama we start chanting. After completion of chanting there is another pranayama, and we surrender our chants to Mother Goddess Kali. Then we pray her, there is a small prayer always, and after that your tarpanas are needed, and after tarpana only your ritual gets completed, your prayer gets completed. This is the minimum possible things we must perform when we are trying to do Saguna rituals. When we are trying to do a ritual by which we intend to attain something. We can do very big pujas also, like Panchopchar puja, like Sodasopchar puja. These are the pujas which needs to be done before we start our chants for attaining the energy of Goddess Kali. Here I explained you in short how we can perform the Kali ritual in a systematic and in a proper way, so that we be able to attain whatever we want. This is Saguna Sadhana. This is a ritual being performed where you have perceived your Kali, where you have conceptualized the Goddess Kali. We start with Vinayog, and Vinayog is being read like this. Om As Shri Dakshin Kalika Mantrasya Bhairav Rishi Ushdik Chanda Shri Mahakali Devta Aing Bijam Ring Shakti Kring Kilkam Mama Bhist Siddhyarthe Jape Vinyoga. After this we perform Rishinyas. Just see how the Rishinyas is being performed. Bhairav Rishaye Namah Sirasi, Ushdik Chandase Namah Mukhe, Dakshin Kalika Devtaye Namah Ridra, Aing Bijaye Namah Guhe, Ring Saktaye Namah Padayo, Kring Kilkaye Namah Nabho, Vinyogaye Namah Sarvange. Krang Angushtabhyam Namah, Kring Tarjanibhyam Namah, Krung Madhimabhyam Namah, Krang Anamikabhyam Namah, Kroh Kanishtikabhyam Namah, Krah Kartal Karprashtabhyam Namah. Krang Hridayaya Namah, Kring Shirse Swaha, Krung Shikhaye Vasat, Krang Kauchaye Hum, Krong Netratraye Vosat, Krah Astraye Fat. वामे गुरुभ्यो नमः, परम गुरुभ्यो नमः, परमेष्ठ गुरुभ्यो नमः, दक्षिणे गणेशाय नमः, मध्य दक्षिण कालिका देवताये नमः. Then we perform Vyapak. And after performing Vyapak, the time comes when you have to perform Dhyan mantra of Dakshin Kali. You have to make Dhyan Mudra, which is being made like this, and touch it to your heart and then perform Dhyan mantra. Om Karal Badnam Ghoram Mukta Kesim Chaturbhujam Adyam Kalikam Divyam Mundamala Vibhushitam Sadyasna Sira Khadag Vamordham Karambujam Mahamegh Prabham Kalikam Tatha Chayo Digambaram कंठावसक्त मुंडावली गलद रुधिर चरिताम कंठावसक्त मुंडावली गलद रुधिर चर्चिताम कर्णावतन सनातनीत सौ युग्म भयानकम घोर दृश्राम करालास्याम पीनोनत पयोधराम सवानाम कर संघाते कृत कांची महसन्मुखीम स्रग्द्वय गलदरुत धारा विस्फुटाननाम घोरावाम महारौद्रीम शमशानालय वासिनीम बलार्कम मंडलाकाराम लोचन तृतीयान्विताम दंतुराम दक्षिण व्यापी मुक्तालभिक चोच्याम स्वरूप महादेव हृदयोपरि संस्थिताम शिवाभिर्घोर सभाभिचतुर्दिक्षु समन्विताम महाकालेन समम विपरीत रतातुराम सुख प्रसन्न वदनाम स्मेरान सरोरुहाम यवम साम चिंते काली धर्म कामार्थम सिद्धिदाम. And after this we will perform pranayam, in which we must inhale chanting seed mantra 16 times. We must hold our breath chanting seed mantra 64 times. And we must take out our breath, exhale, chanting your mantra 32 times. Watch for it. Then we start chanting and chant as much as possible. But chant at least 108 times, and you can extend it to 1008, 10,008, or whatever your capacity is. And after your chants are complete, again please do pranayama, 16 chants, inhale, 64 chants hold and 32 chants exhale. Then do Jap Samarpan mantra, which is Guhyati Guhi Gopti Tam Grahasmat Kritam Japam Siddhir Bhavatu Me Devi Tvat Prasadan Maheshwari. And after completion of a ritual, please pray to the goddess Kali, and the prayer is काली काली महाकाली काली के पाप नाशिनी खड्ग हस्ते मुंड हस्ते काली काली नमो अस्तुते काली काली नमो अस्तुते।